The LPMS provides the instructor an environment for the definition of training scenarios and also for its execution. The scenario environment and general objectives can be defined, as well as personnel required, and an initial plant condition for the start of the scenario. One or more incidents will be defined in the scenario for specific objectives to be attained by trainees. These objectives will have to be met on certain conditions. An initial event, which is basically composed of commands sent to real or emulated machinery control systems, or to the process model, will permit the incident to occur. Engineering tasks or damage control tasks will be monitored electronically or manually from the tasks list. Emulated crew actions can be defined to operate equipment or repair damage. Any LPMS items such as incidents, actions, tasks can be initiated by time, conditionals, process events, or manually by the instructor. Training environments can be composed of one to any number of trainee stations and no instructor stations to any number of instructor stations for individual training up to team training. In this particular example, we have one trainee station and one instructor station. The trainee station has been configured to emulate graphic pages of a machinery control system for dewatering, chilled water cooling, and readiness overview. The instructor station, as configured in this example, has different zones on its GUI. One zone controls the scenario start, stop, pause, and debrief access. As the Start button is clicked by the instructor, the LPMS launches the planned incidents, and as displayed on the trainee station, the alarms are starting to appear about the various incidents that have been injected. From the Instructor Station Incident Index Zone, one can access the incident list as line items on the bottom part of the display. Clicking the line items brings above it the corresponding detailed list of trainee actions to be done. A click has acknowledged that an alarm has been verbally declared by the trainee. We now get into the details of the cooling water system. The trainee has to get the system in zebra condition. As the trainee clicks the zebra command on the chilled water system, the corresponding line turns green on the instructor station. As the trainee starts the spare pump, the corresponding line turns green on the instructor station. The instructor can follow the evolution of actions of one trainee or a group of trainees. The trainee has been dealing correctly with the chilled water system, but has not done anything yet related to the flooding alarms. So he goes to the dewatering page, where he notes that flooding in MER1 is starting to be fairly severe. The instructor acknowledges a verbal announcement of the trainee for the flooding alarm in MER1. The corresponding instructor station line item turns green. Another incident line confirms a similar alarm for a different compartment. The list of precise tasks that have been done to control and contain the incident is displayed. The tasks are basically to align the dewatering line's valves and to start the eductor number 5. As the eductor number 5 is started, an LPMS cascading incident based on the start of the eductor process condition automatically fails it. So, from the instructor station corresponding incident line item, the instructor acknowledges that the trainee has properly reported the eductor number 5 failure. Now, if the instructor goes to the malfunction page for the dewatering incident, he can inject more incidents manually. In this particular example, he will fail bulkheads between MER1 and AMR2, and then between MER1 and AMR1 by sliding 2 vertical cursors. The LPMS detected the movement of the cursors by the instructor and generated a cascading incident which sent a command to the engineering suite by flooding the adjacent compartment. We can see within the LPMS the current status of the entire training session. Green representing items completed, red representing items late. We can see also the status of the objectives for every single incident and the global status for the entire training session.